Are you looking for a place in Tulum that actually feels like a home and not just another condo? In this video, I'm going to show you a villa where the real luxury is right here. The size of this pool and garden is something that you don't usually see at this price. So let's take a look, and by the end of this video, you will know if this home is for you as a place to live or as a vacation home. This house is part of a boutique gated community of just 8 villas located in La Veleta. You are welcomed by a spacious open area that connects this interior with this exterior. I have to talk about this garden because it's my favorite part of the house. I mean, if you have dogs, they will love the natural grass area, and look at the pool size, it's just perfect. You also have this covered terrace with an outdoor dining area ideal for enjoying meals with family and friends. This is the heart of the home, an open space where the living room, dining area and kitchen all come together. It's the kind of place where you can cook, talk and relax all in the same area. The guest bedroom gets a lot of natural light and looks out to the garden with its own access to the pool. Upstairs you have the master bedroom with its own bathroom and double sinks. It opens onto a private terrace facing these beautiful trees. On the rooftop there is a space for a jacuzzi, a shower and a lounge area perfect to rest at the end of the day. This property is listed at 6,650,000 Mexican pesos, which is around 360,000 US dollars at today's exchange rate. The price includes all the furniture and decoration just as you see it in the video. If you would like more information about this home, feel free to contact me. My personal details are on the first comment and in the description of the video. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Adios!